everyone, love and sunshine. Welcome in. My palette today is some beautiful sunny orange, some Aqua that's got titanium white, phthalo blue, lemon yellow in it, and this is a teal. It's just all of those without the white, so it's phthalo blue and lemon yellow. And some of my yummy dark chocolate from episode 17. I'll link that one up in the corner if you want to check that out. And I also have some titanium white that I'm going to use for a swipe. So, without further ado, we're going to get started with that. Before we do though, I would like to remind you to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thank you for joining the channel. And I would also love for you to boop that like button for me. It really helps out the channel with the algorithm and all of that technical bizzo. So if you can do those things for me, that would be super duper appreciated. All right, I'm just going to lay these colors out and sit back. Enjoy, grab your cuppa, grab your bickies, grab your popcorn, I don't know. And I will see you on the flip side for the results. Okay, I'm back after the swipe, and I have just run and grabbed a can of silicone spray that I've been wanting to try out to see what it did. A little bit of a sciencey thing my brain wanted to do. The swipe did not turn out as I'd expected, and I will show you a swatch of that just in a sec, but I just want to talk about this for a little while. It's created this really fine little mist that has sat over the top of the surface of the paint. So it hasn't created those deeper, wider cells like when you mix the silicone in, but it's created this lovely subtle effect that I'll bring you down for a closer look at the dried result in just a moment. I'm just going to run the heat gun over it again to see if I can get anything to open up a little bit more. Yeah, it was a little bit of a disappointment, but not like a super disappointment. You never really know what you're going to get, I think, when you pour, so it's just like thinking on your feet. Here is a dried swatch that I did before I poured this piece. I always do testing and test my consistency, and that is what came out. So that was kind of what I was more expecting, but that's okay. I will try again because I really love this color combination. It reminds me of a sunrise, the different blues and the orange. It has made a really pretty green, like a lime green, where the blue and the orange have mixed together. You can see those tiny, tiny little fine mist cells that have popped up with the silicone spray. It's very subtle and soothing. The warmth of the orange and the soothing, cool blues that are mixing together in there. Yeah. What do you think? I hope you have enjoyed. If you have, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.